Hey guys, welcome back to on my YouTube channel Soft Steps with Nimi, where we deeply connect with ourselves. So today we will talk about what I learned in my loneliness. I think loneliness is a funny way to meet yourself. First thing I learned, I started to sit with myself. Before that, I always running behind people. I always try to avoid loneliness. I try to fill it with like scrolling, watching TV, watching Netflix, or try to talk with people that even don't want to talk to me. I think most of the people fill their loneliness with these things, but what I learned, then I sit quiet and I learned about myself. I started to be aware about myself, like what I want in my life and what I don't want. Like before that, I always want to hide myself. Even in my school, college, whenever there is a group presentation, I made everything. I prepare everything, but I always said to other person like, please, you can speak for me and don't say my name that I made this, because I want to hide myself. Even in my class, I know the answer. I never raise my hands. I was very, these kind of person. So I learned that I don't want to be hide. I want to be seen. So see, now I can speak. I love to speak. The second thing I learned from my solitude is not every relationship is for long lasting. Like before, I always, as I said, I always run behind people that even don't want to talk to me. That time I realized that sometimes some relationships are not for long lasting. Some people came to our life just for a time, and I really believe in karmic relations. So I think some people have their karmic things with us. When it's done, they just gone. So in that time, I realized that if I'm going back to them, they can't be in my life if it's not meant for. So I'm sorry guys for my English, because I'm also learning. Okay, the second thing that I learned in my loneliness is not all relationships are long lasting. Before that, as I said, I run behind people even they don't want to talk to me, because I want to kept them in my life. But at that time I realized that maybe like everybody have time period in our life. Like I really believe in karmic relations. So some people came in our life just for some time, and I also feel like when our energies are matching, then we are together. When we are when we are vibrating on different energies, so people just gone in our life. So I learned this thing in that time. The third thing, I think creativity comes in solitude. When we are alone, you can figure it out like what you want in your life. Because when we are surrounded with so many people with loudness, we don't know about ourselves. We can call it self-awareness. When we are lonely, we can know about ourselves better, and we can create what we want. Like see, now I start my YouTube channel. I want to speak. I want to be seen. That I did not know before. So the fourth thing is I rebuild myself. If you saw me 1 or 2 years ago, I was totally different person from outside and inside. At my workplace, I saw many videos of mine on Snapchat. 1 year ago, I was totally different person. Honestly, I love to talk about others. Like this gives me excitement. Like, oh, this happened to in his life, in her life. I was like that. But now I don't want to waste my energy on these things. I just want to concentrate on my on myself. Like if you saw me 1 year ago, I was 65 kg and now I'm 55. Still I'm working on myself. So I think loneliness is not a bad thing, it's a blessing. Like God wants to see yourself. So if you are in your loneliness era, you are in best part of your life. Now you can reinvent yourself, you can know about what you want in your life. So this is the best time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe and like if you like this, and see you soon in next video. Bye bye.